Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I made this oil. So, so yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, share the video, subscribe if you have not. Also, leave a comment down below. Just tell me what you think and everything. So let's get started with the video to show you how I made it. So the first thing I did was went ahead get my water to boil so it can melt my butters when I'm ready. Then I'm gonna get two paper towels so it'll be easier to clean up afterwards, less mess. And the products we're using is this black Jamaican castor oil, the jojoba oil, coconut oil, also shea butter, and pure olive oil. You can get the shea butter on Amazon. I believe I paid $13 for that big bottle. Then you'll be needing something to pour it in, like a filter the oil in after it's cool. You don't really need the jar because I didn't really use it, but you're going to also need like a plate, like a bowl, and then containers to put the oil in. So right here you can see I'm using two containers because I'm gonna make um two quantity of the product. So now that my water is boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and add all my ingredients to the container that I'm using, the plate or the bowl that I'm using. So I'm using the shea butter first. So you can see this is like 1.5 spoon. As I said before, the shea butter, I bought it on Amazon. It's very cheap. It's better than buying it in the hair store. Then there's a black castor oil. It was $11. I'm just using a little bit of it. A little bit goes a far way. Then I'm just gonna pour a little bit of my jojoba oil. Then add my coconut oil. This is like 1.5 spoon. And then I'm going to add some of my extra virgin olive oil. After you get all your ingredients in the bowl, you can add more stuff if you want, but these are the stuff I'm using because these are really good for hair growth. The coconut oil is excellent, olive oil is olive oil, and the shea butter is good for rapid hair growth. So now that my water is boiling up, I'm gonna just go ahead and turn off the stove, and that steam is going to melt my oils. My voice is like getting so tired. Huh, yeah. So this is what it's looking like. So now all you want to do is let it sit for at least 30 minutes to cool down, and then after it's cooled down, you can pour it in your container. As you can see, I'm going to lift it up to show you. There is a lot of steam. Like, yeah, there's a lot of steam. So you can see it's still a little hot, and now it cooled down a little bit. So now I'm gonna just add it to my container that I'm gonna be keeping it in. Oops, it overflow, but okay. See, it's good to have the paper towel down. So when that happen, you just take out the paper towel, throw it out, and you're good to go. Less mess. So this is how the oil is looking. Just gonna cover this and then I'm gonna apply to my hair. So you can see, so that is one, and then I'm gonna use the rest to fill the other container. I don't think I videoed that part, but yeah. And this is your rapid hair growth oil. You just using basic stuff, everyday stuff that you put on your skin and your hair. Now that you know how to make it, let's go ahead and start applying it to our hair. So this is the oil. So it's a very thick. Yes. So I'm gonna just pull out my hair. I just having a little bit of leave-in conditioner in my hair because I just wash it. So now I'm gonna just apply the oil and yeah. So so now I'm just gonna put some in my hand and I'm going to rub it to the root to the end of my hair. Gonna also put some on my edges. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys like the video. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe if you have not, and also comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.